Well, hi again. I'm Jim, retired old timer. Later on, my wife will join me, but right now, we're still waiting for our motorhome to be repaired, for them to put the new pump, the water pump, in Walter here. So while we wait here, they'll have it fixed here pretty quick, I believe. And then as soon as they do, we'll be on our way. In 2020, we continued on to Drumheller, but our next video will be going to Big Valley in 2023. But for now, we gotta wait for the motorhome to be fixed. So in 2020, we needed to spend some more time in Stettler. So we went and visited the Stettler Park, the West Stettler Park. So that's next. Hi, thanks for joining us. I'm Jim.
I'm Sandra.
With Retired Oldtimers. I'm the retired husband.
I'm the
Retired
wife.
Yeah, we're taking it easy.
One day at a time.
We're sitting in a park in Stettler right now. And unfortunately, our motorhome, the water pump went, so I hear the kind of geese in the background. Anyway, yeah, we're sitting here waiting for them to finish repairing our motorhome. Little expensive deal, the water pump went. But we have to pass time doing something, so why not do it here? A park in Stettler. Where are we?
Stettler.
Are we in Stettler?
We're still in Stettler.
Oh, okay. Still in Stettler. And I just noticed here a plant unique to Alberta. So let me show you this plant. It's right behind me. I don't know if you can see it. I'm not quite sure what it is. I don't know. They got no signpost here telling me what kind of plant this is. But I will have to go and see if I can find a book and find out what kind of plant this plant is. Well, didn't spend a lot of time down at the park there, so we didn't take a lot of pictures or video. But I hope you enjoyed, you know, wandering around that park. Anyway, we're back here, and they finally got our motorhome ready to go. It's middle of the afternoon, and we're going to get on the road. So we're going to start heading out to Drumheller. But on the way, we're going to stop in at Big Valley. So come along with us, because that'll be in our next video. In the meantime, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, so you don't miss the next episode of our travels to southern Alberta. Thanks for watching, and God bless.